This lesson covers regular French verb conjugations under the imperfect. All French verbs belong to one of three verb groups, ER, IR, or RE verbs, and each group of verbs have their own conjugations, or verb endings, depending on the tense, mood, and subject being used. The French subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, and vous can also be used as the formal singular version of you, whereas tu is informal and cannot be plural like vous. Under the imperfect, we take the present tense nous form of the verb and remove the on ending, and to that stem we add the respective imperfect endings afterwards. Now for regular ER and RE verbs, this is the same as simply removing its infinitive ending to form the stem, but it is slightly different for IR verbs. All three verb groups share one common set of imperfect endings. They are e, io, ie, e. For the verb parler, removing the on ending from the present tense nous form parlons gives us the stem parle, and this is the same as if we were simply removing the infinitive er ending. And to this stem we add the respective imperfect endings afterwards. Parler, 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 parlions, parliez, parler. Now for the verb choisir, we remove the on ending from the present tense nous form choisissons. This gives us the stem choisis. To this stem we add the respective imperfect endings afterwards. Choisissez, 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 choisissions, choisissiez, choisissez. For the verb vendre, we remove the on ending from the present tense nous form vendons, and this gives us the stem vendre. This is the same as if we were simply removing the infinitive re ending. And to this stem we add the respective imperfect endings afterwards. Vendez, 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 vendions, vendiez, vendez. So there you have it, a very basic summary of regular French imperfect verb conjugations. I apologize for any of my mispronunciations because I am not actually a French speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.